All right, so for this Nomad Sculpt video, we are gonna do a flying pig. It's gonna be broken up into like multiple parts because I think that's probably best, or let's probably give the best attention to the flying pig. All right, so we're starting out with this sphere. We've decreased the amount of resolution so we can make changes pretty easily. So we got this big body, so this big boy. All right, so let's go to transform. So actually no, let's go to Gizmo. All right, so need to make it wider in this way. Yeah, all right, yeah, it's big, but not too big. All right, there we are. Now we can do some movements, but I think for this one, because we're working on the snout first, let's see, the front. Okay, decrease the radius. That's not too bad, okay. All right, shrink it down there, all right. Let's increase the resolution so we have some more fine tuning that we can do. Snout has to be a little bit more. So I think there is, if we do inflate, and change the values to dynamic intensity with flat surface here, take out the symmetry, go to front, that's too big, okay. Decrease the radius right there, something like that, but a little bigger. All right, it's a little better. Then we can drag maybe a little. Oh no, we can move. Yes, that's where we get our snout. Okay, that doesn't look great. Okay, smooth that out. Sweet. That should be more over here, unfortunately. There we are. Okay. Lower that. Remember, it's not going to be perfect, so it's all right if you make mistakes. Okay, it's not terrible, so We'll go with this. All right, so for our legs, we are going to do some cylinders instead of, let's see, show line, show plane. So we know that when we add our legs, okay, insert cylinder, oh, make sure they're symmetry. Okay. Smaller, like that. Accept them. Then transform. Let's move them closer, right? Something like that. Yeah, that's not bad. Scale a little bit, maybe. Oh. All right, go to the left. Make sure these are more so right here, so the little piggy can get better support. All right, then clone, gizmo, that's the right place, right? No, they should be up on the same place. All right, there we got the body of our pig. Let's see. We need to add some ears. So go to insert. We can do a sphere. No. Make sure your plane axis is showing. Okay. Yeah, we can do a sphere, and then we can manipulate that. All right. Accepted. Let's gizmo that. Flatten this out. Like that. And then we can do some, what's it called? Not flattening, but trimming. All right. So okay. Let's transform that. Scale it. Move. I need to move it a little bit closer. Gizmo. Front. Transform. Okay, that's a good location. After that, I think let's do a little manipulation for the clay brush. Smooth things out. So, sub clay. intensity. Right, make the ears a little caved in there. Smooth that out. Okay, see, and the ears look a little more realistic, but not too much. So we're good there. Right, let's make our snout hose. So still got that plane of axes. We go to insert cylinders. Ooh, that is way too big. Yeah, no, all right. Yeah, we don't need to make them that big. Okay, and we only need one, honestly. So let's get rid of them both. No symmetry. Actually, let's just add a primitive here. Cylinder, right. Very small. Like that. Oh, wrong one. Let's move, no. Smooth. All right. Move it this way. It's good. Not sure what's going on here. Let's go. Pen seems to have disconnected for a second. Great.